Hi, my name is Collin Becker.
And I'm Proctor.
And we're members of the Keyframe team here at CyberForce Q. Keyframe helps organizations continuously measure, visualize, and manage cybersecurity risk. Keyframe is a versatile tool compatible with virtually any control set, including those from NIST, ISO, and CIS. The compliance landscape has become rather complex in recent years, leading cybersecurity professionals to seek out solutions that make their lives easier.
We've had the opportunity to work with a wide variety of organizations with a wide variety of compliance requirements. We're going to hear from one such organization now. I'd like to introduce Gary Smith, Associate Vice President of IT for Michigan Millers Insurance, located in Lansing, Michigan. Gary is going to share a little bit about the state of his cybersecurity program just a few years ago, at the time that the NYDFS cyber law was released.
Go back in time several years, and we were that company that felt that we were in a really good position. I mean, if you asked anyone, you say, oh yes, we have great security, we have it documented and all that. We had it informally documented. So when we got this, we were overwhelmed with it. When we broke it down, we saw, like 99 different things we had to be compliant with. We're a smaller organization, so we knew that, we don't have a CISO, we don't have a compliance department, we don't have a network security team. So we knew we were in over our heads, so we looked for assistance.
Speaking from experience, Michigan Millers Insurance was not a fringe case. Many organizations lack the resource and experience necessary to implement a structured information security program. And that's where Keyframe came in.
Together, we were able to create the initial baseline and use it to build the roadmap that would guide the early stage efforts. These items are reviewed and updated regularly in order to reflect the continuous improvements made in the program.
When CyberForce came in, we started building partner trust. They helped us implement the Keyframe, get that first assessment, create that heat map that really showed that, we had some areas that were great, we 100% covered, but we also had a lot that we were very thin in, and that helped us build that roadmap.
Gary and his team used Keyframe to gain greater visibility into the program at various levels of granularity. This allows them to continuously evaluate the efficacy of security controls and optimize the program accordingly.
The reporting tools available within Keyframe allow Michigan Millers Insurance to demonstrate their standing, advancement, and strategy over time. The real-time dashboards, comparative analytics, and other tools allow the organization to display their command and control of their information security program.
The heat map that they created for us was great because now we update it quarterly so we can show auditors our progression, that we actually are following our plan and we're shoring up our weaknesses. So, with that, that's become our big document that we present to boards, to executives, to auditors to show our progression and that we are compliant with New York Cyber. So, this program really allowed Michigan Millers to become just the warm and fuzzy security to actually being a secure company. And now we're not fearing, the next state joining. And we're also not just saying this is only for New York business, but it's for all the business that Michigan Millers does because it's important.
All in all, Gary and his team were able to transform their security program from one of uncertainty to one of proactivity and confidence. The program is now on a stable foundation, it's highly structured, and it's well suited to adapt to the next inevitable shift in the compliance landscape.
Imagine how you and your organization can benefit from implementing a quantifiable security and compliance program. Schedule a discovery call today.